Come on, D. You feel it?
Feels heavy?
Yeah.
There you go.
Come on, D.
Oh, he's about to get his first.
Yo, I think I got one on too. I feel it.
I can see it. Unless that's definitely not on top of yours and he's got the fish. You see the rod bend? That's a good one.
It's stuck hard.
Come on, D. You could do it. Come on, D. Look at him, D.
Hold on, hold on.
Oh my god!
Bring it this way.
Yeah! Yeah!
He just dropped the bait.
Let's go! Sand sharks for life!
Yo, you gotta feel this, bro.
Can I feel it?
The way that you come up like those lines.
Hey! Said that this is the biggest striped bass he's ever filmed. Definitely a striped bass.
Pull him in.
Hey, at least it's pretty big.
Nah, it's gotta be either a blue or a striper. Yeah, that's true. It's probably a striper, right? I don't see it.
Nice. Look at it, big.
I don't see it yet. Is it?
Yeah.
You saw it?
Pulling mad weight.
I didn't see that much.
I'm feeling it, dude. Yo, shine over right over there. It's a bass. It's a straight bass.
Is it?
See it?
No. Oh yeah.
Where?
Right here, right in front.
Oh my god!
Yo, grab it, grab it.
It's not. Oh, Devin, back up.
Oh my god!
Here, hold this.
I got it!
Easy, grab it, hurry
I'm
up.
trying. I'm trying. I just got hooked.
Let me do it! Let me do it!
No. Grab it by
the mouth?
The gills, hurry up. The freaking gills.
How the?
The gills.
Where the hell's the gill?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
That plate right there, yeah. Yo, it's gonna come on.
That's huge! Is that like a big size?
Right there, pull it up.
Oh my god!
Oh my
Put him
goodness.
over there.
Where?
No. Like it. Hold on. I got him. I want to freaking
Do they bite?
measure him really quick. No. I want to measure him. If he's freaking legal size, we're gonna keep him.
Yo, look at that dude. That thing is huge.
I never saw one.
Yo, that thing was pulling mad weight. Yo, the pliers, you got him?
Vivo, is this the biggest striper you've
I
ever
will tell you
caught?
right now.
Devin, here, give me the leg. Wow, he swallowed.
You got teeth.
No, he doesn't. Stripers don't have teeth.
You want me to hold them?
Nah. Wanna
Circle hook, right? Or is that J
Nah,
hook?
regular. Yeah, hold on. Just want to measure him real quick.
Yeah.
This is 28 inches from the seat of the reel to right over here. And he's just short. I know? That's right at legal. Nah, he's short by like an inch.
That's illegal?
This is legal right here. It's 28 inches.
Well,
Get-
you can't keep them?
Get him
Nah.
back in.
That's like a $250 fine. In the meantime, though, take a picture.
Right here. Toss him back.
That's all you.
I don't want to kill him.
Just like put him right in there.
It's gonna slip
Hold on,
out.
Devin.
Put the light over here. It's gonna die.
No, just he would. He's about to swim off. Don't worry. He's not
There he goes. Those are big.
He's still right here. No.
He's gonna swim off. If not, let's freaking hook him again.
No way. Did he die? Come on, wake up, buddy.
You can do it!
He's already shaking now.
Is he good?
He's good, yeah. And he's gonna make it. Just needed to like swim around a little bit.
Yeah. Good job.
Yo.
Yo, that was nice, dude.